Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this a labyrinth fairy costume. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to make this awesome, kind of aesthetically pleasing kind of fairy costume, keep on watching the vid. So this is what you'll need. You need some fake assorted leaves, like I have some in this bag. You're also going to need rose petals. I got these from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need some white tulle. You're going to need some Velcro. You're going to need like maybe a thing of fake flowers. You're going to need some white felt. You're going to need some spray-on adhesive glue. You're going to need assorted of glitters. You're going to need some of this like weird wiring. I got this at Michael's. You're gonna need a hot glue stick and a hot glue gun. You're gonna need a Sharpie marker. And I got this from the dollar store, but you are gonna need fairy rings. And you are gonna need a pair of scissors. Nail clippers. I got these from the dollar store. You can just get them from the dollar store to cut your fake floral. And then a pair of scissors. So the first thing what we're going to do, I got this felt from the dollar store. You can get it from any craft store. I just was there and I just got some white felt. So, well, turn on your hot glue gun. Make sure it's heated up. It's heating up currently. And we are going to make I'm going to make it into 2 pieces to make it easier for the skirt. So I'm going to make the skirt base, so I'm just going to wrap it around her waist, and I'm just going to give maybe a little, like an inch more than what I am anticipating. Obviously we're going to glue it, the Velcro and stuff, but I kind of want maybe like a knee length one. With tulle, it gives it more of a like fuller dimension. So what I'm gonna do is get my tulle, my white tulle, and just like almost like layer it, and then we're gonna glue it on that side. It's not as hot, but you know, it's still hot. And then we're gonna keep, ow, okay, that's a little hot, okay. So, okay, and then we are just going to put a slip. I kind of want to measure it on the doll really quick, because like I said, I did make it extra a little bigger, but yeah. Okay, so we're gonna let that dry. That was a chunk of hot glue. Okay, and just do a layer of glue. I'm just gonna use this Sharpie, honestly, to like, you know, get down in the tulle. you know what I'm saying. Okay, so now we got the tulle. Now I'm going to cut the excess tulle off. Ooh. It's still kind of hot. These scissors are really bad. Look at that. Ooh. Okay. Okay. So now that you got that done, the tulle, You're gonna notice the skirt is a little bit fuller, as you can see. Now, honestly, you can make this into a dress, but like I said, I kind of want like a fuller skirt. So I am just gonna cut all this excess off. I'm gonna, end it right here so I can cut all this excess off. I'm gonna get better scissors, but I'm gonna cut all the excess off and then I'll show you what you do next. Basically decorating it, I'm gonna get like the petals and like, well, first I'm gonna do like all the fake leaves. I'm gonna go like basically on the skirt. So this is what I decided on the skirt would look like. And I did cut it a little bit short, so obviously I gotta cut some of this tulle. This tulle is just very like kind of annoying, but it's useful if we're gonna make something look fuller. Now I'm gonna get my spray adhesive glue. And I'm just gonna spray the little leaves that I have on here. I'm gonna spray that. And this is where things will get hopefully not messy. Let her dry. And now we are gonna work on the top. So you're gonna take the top fabric and you're just gonna make a basic top here. I'm trying to figure out what, like, should the top be like all like, like, or should it be like with these, like okay, I kind of have an idea. just gonna do some straps here. Okay, so she's dressed up right now. She's in the gown, whatever. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this little bark thingy. I'm gonna wrap one around her foot. So these are gonna be like her little shoes in a way. So I saved 2 little leaves. So I'm gonna cut the leaf like this, as you can see, and then I am just going to get that. Let the glue kind of dry. I'm gonna get this off her foot. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my god, she looks so fucking good. I got these fairy wings at the dollar store, which was pretty nice. I'm just going to, I don't need these bottom halves. Ugh. So I'm gonna take the dog clippers. Ha! And I am just gonna cut this bottom half of this wing thing. I'm gonna get some Velcro, right, and I'm just going to put that in the middle. Okay, so here is obviously the fairy costume. This is probably the most hardest thing of all of my Halloween costumes I've ever done for my dolls this last couple of years. This one I think was the most hardest, but it is so pretty. Addie looks so pretty. I did put a little bit of that Elmer's glue onto her face right here just to put a little bit of that glitter. And I did put some glitter in her hair, but I think it fell out a little bit. But yeah, this is just literally so pretty. I really like this look. Yeah, I think I might put some of that spray adhesive to keep this glitter from not falling off of these wings. But yeah, I'm really happy I didn't have to make the wings because that would have been hard. But yeah, this is just a little easy. Most of the stuff I did get from the dollar store, like the petals and the felt I got from Joann's, and the tulle I got from Michael's, and the flowers, like these fake little flowers and leaves, I did get from Joann's. Most of this is a Joann's DIY. I really love Joann's. Joann's is one of my favorite craft stores. They always have good deals. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. This is the final fairy look. I'm going to be taking some photos. I'm really excited for this look. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Look how pretty. Oh my god, oh my god, it's really iconic. I love it so much. Does it look good? Bailey. Hey Bailey. Yeah, we're rolling. Oh! Comment, rate, and subscribe. And follow us on Instagram at Purple Moose Dolls. Yeah, and also happy Halloween! I dig your scarf. Thank you! A lot of people said they don't like my scarf. I dig it. I'm giving off that pumpkin vibe.